friends, in this part we are continuing with the string operations, that what are strings and how the indexing of the strings is done, what are negative indexing and how the slicing on the strings are done, what are strides and concatenated strings, actually how to add the two strings, how the escape sequence of the string is done, and many more string operations. So let's get started. Firstly, as you know, this is part 1.2, so you can also go to my channel and view part 1 for some basics of the Jupyter Notebook and the Python to get familiar with. So always remember, string is written in double inverted commas, just like this. My name Adarsh Kumar is in double inverted comma, and then we have printed. And using single inverted comma, that only represents the same. It doesn't matter whether you are going to use double inverted comma or single inverted comma. And we are not treating 1 2 3 4 5 6 as a string, so we are indexing it in commas, just like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, special characters are also treated as strings if we are encoded them into single inverted comma, just like this. Now print a string, as we see in the part 1 that while using the print command in the brackets we have to use double commas to print the string, just like this. And we can also define, as in part 1, it is an variable which is name, or we can just write it x, and here is like x. So x, the value of x is string, which is Adarsh Kumar, and what is the output? Adarsh Kumar. Okay, now coming towards the indexing. How to do indexing? Actually, it isn't helpful to think that a string is an ordered sequence. Basically, what is done? This like name is Michael Jackson, so M is at the 0 index. Always remember, in Python it is for sure that indexing starts from 0 and remain on going to the strings. First letter is on 0, second on 1, 2, 3, 4, and space is 7 in this case. So just renaming it once again. That's perfect. And let's go to this. What is the index of that Adarsh Kumar? 0. At the index 0 it is A. And what is index 6? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. It is in a space. So our output is space. What is at the 13? I don't think there are 13 characters in that string. Okay, this is out of range because the string doesn't contain 13 characters. Now, what is negative indexing? In Python, if we use negative index, then we have to start from the end of the string. The last element of the string is treated as -1 and going forward, just like -1, -2, -3 from the last of the string. So our string name, which is Adarsh Kumar, last character is KUMAR, last is R. What is -15? It is out of range because the string doesn't contain the 15 characters. Now, length of Michael Jackson. Length function is used to calculate the length of the string. and this string contain 15 character. Now going forward to the slicing. How to slice the string? Basically we have to divide the string in several parts, just like this. 0 to 4, index number 0 to 4 is divided, and 8 to 12 is also divided as jack. So let's see the output. At index number 0 to 4, A, D, A, R is there. 0, 1, 2, 3. And at index number 8 and 12, I don't think, yes, K, U, M, A, R. U, M, A, R. U is at 8 and R is at 11. Now coming towards the stride. As you can see, the string name is Michael Jackson in this picture, and M is at 0, I is at 1, C is 2, this is this. And if we are using name in close brackets, if we are using double colons and after giving any index, then it isn't treated as just like this. ADARSH. The string name is ADARSH, but we are getting as an output AASUA. Every even numbers. It's like 2, 0, 2, 4, every even numbers. Leaving the space of 1 in between. If we are using this, then AAS 0, A, fifth is another A, second is S. Now concatenated strings. In this we are using plus or an operation to just join two strings, just like name, which is Adarsh Kumar, and other string is the best. So Adarsh Kumar is the best. And just improving a little bit. Now it's fine. Perfect. We are trying another operation on a string, that if we are multiplying a string by a number just like 1, 2 or 3, 4, it will replicate the string as many times as you provide the number, just like Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson, Michael Jackson. It produces it 3 times. Now adding the name Michael Jackson with another string is the best. Michael Jackson is the best. Okay, now going forward to the escape sequence. It is a backslash concept. Just look at this. If we print this command, print in bracket Michael Jackson slash n is the best, we use slash n to just give the next line to our operation. And looking towards this, if we give slash t, then it will create a space or just a tab. If we are using double backslash, then it will produce a single slash in the output, and the result is, and if I are using single slash, then it is producing single slash. R will be used. We are using R to tell that Python it is a string. If we are removing R, then my collection, it doesn't matter, but at some times we are using this to tell specifically our system that it is a string. Now coming towards them basic string operations, just like A is equals to Thriller is the 6th studio album, print before upper A. Now B is equals to A dot upper, what this produce before upper, which is before upper, and what's the A? Thriller is the 6th album, this. And second, after upper, B is what? The this value A is getting upper. All the letters in that string A is upper cases. And now coming towards this, replace the old substring with a new substring. Just looking at the output, Michael Jackson is the best, so we are replacing Michael with the Janet Jackson is the best. For replacing, we just use the command string dot replace, and in bracket we have to first put the string which we have to replace, and secondly by comma which we want to get replaced with. Now here, name Michael Jackson, name find el is at index 5. Now what is the find the substring in the string? We have to find Jack in this string Michael Jackson, so Jack is at 8 index, and name dot find this is -1 because it cannot find a substring in a string. So this is all for the part 1.2. Please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.